Hi guys, it's Nick back on site at the green building. I'm right on top of the roof today. We've got a structure that we're working on that will carry the solar system and the water solar heaters as well. So I'll be in the process of building it. I'll turn the camera around in a bit just to show you exactly what we've done. And then I'll just walk you through the entire building so you can have an understanding of what's going on. All right, I'll just walk you around the building just to give you an idea of where we are and what we're doing. This is a view of the green building when we're right on top of the roof. As you can see, we've got a central water feature with opening sliding doors which help with the cooling effect that the building has in the middle of the hot summers. Right. What we've done is we've created some shutter boxes where we've introduced anchor bolts. These anchor bolts are going to be used to hold up the structure that we have sent away for galvanizing. So it will be a galvanized structure that sits a meter off the roof. The reason for putting the structure which is a meter off the roof is so that we have access to the waterproofing. So when we're doing our seasonal maintenance of the waterproofing, we don't have issues in terms of how to get to the waterproofing. Initially, the solar system set almost 100 of the existing roof. So we've then done a design change to raise it off the roof so that we have access to the waterproofing for seasonal maintenance of the roof. So all these are the anchor bolts that we've introduced. And what we also are doing is with time the roof has sagged and water tends to pond during the rains and creating puddles, so which pose the risk for water damage internally. So what we're doing now is we changed the design. We've come up with some branding that we've introduced at a fall towards the center of the roof, because the idea, the water must flow towards the central atrium where the water collects into a gutter and finds its way to the bottom, where you have water that is used for flushing the toilets. It's recycled, used for flushing toilets, and also used for cooling. So these renderings are to a fall towards that central atrium. So the guys are busy with that. Tomorrow we'll receive the steel structure from the supplier who galvanized it for us, and that we'll start installing the columns, the uprights, onto these anchor bolts. So the work is progressing pretty well. Once we have the roof up, it's a timber roof made out of 19 mil shutterboard, and we will waterproof the shutterboard with bitumen sheets. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.